Tracking multiple chances for rain to start off this week. You want to head out early in the day for this Sunday. We'll see some showers arriving late afternoon, and then another round with a cold front on the way for that Monday morning commute. We could see with some of these storms, not this afternoon. We've seen some changes with this model runs. Probably going to stay away from any damaging winds today, but that Monday morning storm, round of storms could bring some of those potential impacts there, especially as it's moving through during the Monday morning commute. Want to stay weather aware there. You can still see temperature-wise into the next couple of days still staying very mild across mid-Missouri. We're able to make it to those upper 70s, likely Sunday, topping out in those lower 80s as we've seen. Again, some changes for that forecast today. I've brought down some of these rain chances even compared to what we were thinking over the weekend. We're going to see, we're tracking a storm system out of Kansas City this morning, or I should say out of Kansas this morning, that will arrive this afternoon. We'll possibly see that near the lake area, particularly bringing some storms late this evening. And then into tomorrow, we are tracking a cold front. This frontal system has been to the north of us almost all weekend long, but as that finally pushes through, you can see a very big chance for those showers and storms for that Monday morning commute. This is that newest run of that model. Again, we've seen this change a bit with those rain chances this afternoon, keeping us pretty clear. If you're headed out early, you'll still maybe want some sunscreen. You can get sunburn in as little as 30 minutes with how high that UV index is early in the day. But there's the clouds filling out this afternoon, and one of those changes is really the onset of those storms in our area. It looks like this is early in the afternoon hours, about 2 p.m., where we're all still staying dry. Just some of those earlier models were trying to bring in those storms near the lake area earlier in the day. Just stay weather aware. We'll continue to track that into this afternoon, but if this changes up, moves a little bit faster, we could see that arrival time just bumped up a little bit. Still has decreased in coverage, at least compared to what we were thinking here over the weekend. We can see really only those to the south of I-70 possibly seeing those storms at this point, but really all of us in mid-Missouri could still potentially get a stray shower or two. We'll just want to stay weather aware again for this evening, and then continue to track that second round here possible for Monday, getting to a longer range future track here. This is Monday morning where we're getting right into that morning commute. This is 5 a.m. where those storms will likely arrive in our western counties. Could still see that timing change just a little bit, just within a few hours there, but likely are going to see those storms through the Monday commute here. We can see just within a couple hours by about 6 to 7 a.m. already those storms reaching into much more of the area, likely only our far eastern counties staying dry by that point, but you can see through the morning continuing to track that heavy rain, possibly lots of lightning and potential damaging winds and hail, so you really will want to stay weather aware. Take it very slow out on that morning commute tomorrow. Even still in the afternoon, seeing the system linger across the area. We're going to continue to track as that system gets closer, maybe how it's going to behave, but certainly, again, want to stay weather aware with these storms on the way, particularly into Monday morning. If you're in the southern half of our viewing area, we could see a very low end severe risk. This is a 1 out of 5, really only, again, for that potential for damaging winds and hail. And with just some of that rain we've been getting, particularly our southern counties, a little bit saturated, just could run into some flooding issues, but not going to see any tornadoes across mid-Missouri. Not having a good setup for that here the next couple of days. Still even more rain on the way for the work week. If you aren't able to get out for this Sunday early, it looks like we do dry up a bit by Thursday. Still possibly getting even more rain on the way behind that. And things are also ramping up in the Atlantic. Have had our first officially named storm. It has formed into Tropical Storm Alex off the coast of Florida. Didn't see that actually named while it was moving through the Floridian Peninsula, but we do still have a very good chance of being above average for this hurricane season. Already seeing that ramp up, and could possibly see Tropical Storm Bonnie or Hurricane Bonnie soon.